Today I'm going to show you the Imaginext Riddler in biplane. This set comes with Batman, the Riddler, a raft, and the Riddler plane. Here's the back of the package. First, let's check out the Riddler. The Riddler's light green with purple. He also has a hat. Next, let's check out the Riddler plane. To start, let's put Riddler inside of his plane. Can fit right inside here. This Riddler plane is probably the coolest plane I've seen yet by Imaginext. It's green and purple. It says the Riddler right on the side here, has the question marks. On the wing there's also a place for Imaginext figures to stand. Next, let's check out Batman. Batman is black and gray. He has the Batman logo on his chest, some yellow on him. Next, let's check out the raft. Here's the control panels and a place for the Imaginext figure to stand. And this area is for the biplane to lock its wheels into. Let's try that out. Let's see this again. And then if we want the plane to detach from the raft, all we do is pull up.
Alright, this should be a good place to dump my Joker toxin into the water. I suppose you're here to stop me from dumping my Joker toxin into the water. Well, I have news for you. You're too late. Ha 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 ha.
It's never too late.
You'll never catch me. So long, Batman.
But my boat is faster than yours.
The question is, can your boat fly? Because mine can.
The Joker's gotten away in the Riddler's biplane.
Looks like I get away this time, Batman.